20 after 5, headed out to the tower. Scoped it out the other day. They bladed the road back there so we can get to it. It's cold this morning, like around 60 degrees cold or colder. Go see what the crappie are doing, go see what the bass are doing. Everything I've been catching lately has been all egged up still. I don't understand that. I know it was a late spawn, but water temp the other day was 74. So it's way past spawning temp for bass and crappie. But see what's going on, and taking the big old fishmonger kayak with me. It's too early in the morning. I didn't get enough sleep. They've reworked the spillway over there. They must have been piping again. This pond, I know it's done it once before, but this must have been the second time because they dug up the road. But yeah, you know it's cold when there's steam coming off the water. You can see how high the water was. I mean, that's from where it is now to where it was. That's 4 or 5 feet in elevation. That's crazy. And all the wood sticking out of the water now. I knew there was a lot of wood down there, but you never got to see it before. You had to see a couple of them, but not. That's a lot of wood. But anyway, I got to go through this and get up to where I want to be, because this is not where I want to be. Oh, it is cold this morning. Yep, this thing's gone down a long ways. This edge here used to almost be underwater. I used to get out over there because this used to be a straight drop off here. Upward and onward. I made it. We'll get the depth finder set up. Throw a couple crappie jigs on. See what happens. I don't know what this is. It's probably a bass. It'd be cool if it was a crappie. But I got really light line. And I got my pixie jig on. And I'm trying to catch a crappie, and I can see it. It's a bass. Come on, buddy. Don't take my jig. I'm going to be a half hour doing this. He's not going to get tired. Oh, you inhaled it too. Come here. Come on. He's not great big. There we go. Sweet. Got to keep my jig. Little chunk. Little chunk with a fat belly. I'll see you later. Down. There you go. Pixie doesn't want another haircut. Holy cow. Oh, the size of that toad. On a crappie crankbait. That is one thick bluegill. That's a nice fish. See you later, buddy. Look at you starting to get a forehead on you. I'll let you go and get bigger. There we go. Oh, come in here. Pixie jig did it again. That's a nice one there. Good little crappie. Whoops. Come here. See how long you are. I bet you're only around 10 or 11. 11 on the dot. You go, buddy. Oh, come on. Don't take my jig. That thing's pulling me all over the place. Come on now. Where you at? Oh, I'm gonna get in the weeds. Come here. I'm gonna let you go anyway. Well, not exactly my target species this morning, but that's a pretty decent bass. Got my little jig. I'm gonna let you go right away. Alrighty. And see you later. Oh, dang, he's on the bottom side of that log. Oh, come here. What is it with him wanting little stuff today? Oh, get out of there. Just come up here, I'm gonna let you go. I can see you, come on. Oh, there we are. Well, once again, not my target species. Still a nice fish though. I can't wait for top water to start up. These fish are not really all that crazy today. Good looking fish. See you later, buddy. Here we go. I'm pulling them out of the weeds. Up tight against the weeds. I used to catch a ton of crappie in here. Used to let a ton of crappie go. I'm gonna let this one go. About an 11 incher too. See you, buddy. This thing just hammered it. He fought bigger, fought harder than the big ones did. You little monster. See ya. I got this thing 13 feet down on the pixie jig again. Ouch. Come on now. That is a post-spawn crappie. Look how black he is. And that is a black crappie. You know, if I was really into eating fish, I'd have some nice fish today. I'm looking for a monster. I'd measure this thing, but I'll let go of my stick and then I'll float away. I'll let him go. Well, it was more of a scouting trip today. Some nice crappie, a few nice bass on accident. Topwater bass is not happening yet. Water was 68 degrees, 69. It was almost 10 degrees higher 4 days ago. So, yeah, it's coming though. The few bass that I did get, they looked like they had already spawned out. The crappie definitely had already spawned out. Those things just hammered those jigs like they were starving. So we'll see what happens here in another couple weeks. It's really windy though. The kid and his grandpa out there. Yeah. Boy, that pond there is not very deep anymore. It'll probably winter kill this next winter, which is too bad because there used to be some awesome bass in that thing. Catfish too. Well, I better get out of here.